All right, here it is, future us's. This is the beginning, the first morning of quote-unquote Snowmageddon 2021. And we're expecting 5 to 7 inches total. A lot more coming later in the week. It is so cold, it's like 15 degrees. Let's go show the family. So what do you think?
It's cool.
It is. It's really pretty, isn't it? Mm-hmm. The pool hasn't frozen yet.
That's a good sign.
That is a good sign. You gonna come outside?
Not right now.
I don't blame you. You don't have shoes on. All right. What are we doing here?
Well, this is going to be the moment of Smokey, hopefully, I think, experiencing real snow. Or
for the first time.
experiencing the pool. Oh, I hope not.
Yeah, that's a bad idea.
Such a weird green.
Yep. What do you think, Smoke? Wow, so pretty. Be careful, slippery. He's eating, yep, definitely eating it, you're right. Keep going, bud. Gotta go potty. Wow. Nope. Oh my gosh. Hey, Smokey. I just don't want him to get zoomies and fall in the pool. Oh, potty in. So pretty. Happy Christmas.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas on
Good point. Yeah.
Oh, the wind.